We're coming in for a Trader Joe's haul today. Hi, Renee. Okay. Renee's all dressed up. She had to get all of her accessories on before we left. We got Talia too. And we are going to be having like a summery barbecue tomorrow. And we need some summer barbecue fixings, plus other things that we always stock up on at Trader Joe's, like tortillas and stuff. So we're going to run in here and see what all we can get and bring you along with us. We might stop one more place if we don't get everything that we need here. We will just have to see. I haven't gotten this in a while, but it's so good. I'm gonna grab some of that while I'm here. Maybe we should get some sausages to grill.
Can we get some hot dogs?
Yeah, I'm getting hot dogs too. They're right here, see? Alright, always got to get our tortillas here.
Yes.
Keep them in the freezer. Yes. Grab 3 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. I think that's good. It's always fun to look at the new stuff. Oh yeah, they got like Starburst candies.
Yes.
No, I don't think we're gonna get that this time, but it's fun to look at. Thai style green chili sauce. That looks good. Almond butter pretzel nuggets. No, those look good. Oh, this is what you want, Tal. Pickle chips.
Yeah. Can we try it?
Sure, we'll try them for the barbecue.
Yeah.
Get some of these. Oh, wait. Organic or olive oil? I think I'll just get organic. Dad likes this. We might get him one of those for the barbecue. I don't think they have a sample now.
No, I get check.
Okay. For s'mores. I don't know if cinnamon grams is what we want. I think it'd be better to get regular. Oh, look, there they are. Look at that. How convenient. How convenient. Yep, that was the biggest Trader Joe's haul we've done for a while. So here is my giant Trader Joe's haul. I guess I'll start over here. They had these tangerines for 3 pounds for $3, so that was a pretty good deal. Got a couple cucumbers, some cottage cheese. This looked good. I hadn't seen this there before. It's a newish seasoning blend. I always love their seasoning blends and try to try all of them that I can. So I grabbed that. Some blue cheese. These are for the s'mores that we're going to make tomorrow night at the barbecue. I got a bunch of milk chocolate because I figured everyone would like that. Some dark chocolate and then some really dark chocolate for those that want some lower sugar options. For the roasting of hot dogs, I got a few different options for everyone to try. Excuse me, what are you doing? You're going to stomp through my video?
No.
Thanks a lot, man. So I got some spicy jalapeno chicken sausages and some sweet apple chicken sausages and also some uncured beef hot dogs. We really like these. We haven't had them in a while because I've been buying the other ones from Costco, but these are really good. I got a bunch of apples, some Pink Lady apples and some Fuji apples. I think I got another bag of Pink Lady also because we go through a lot of apples. All right, I love these dressings and this one is my favorite and I haven't gotten it in a long time, but it's such a nice like summer salad dressing and it's really good for like grilled chicken and as a marinade and not just a salad dressing. So grabbed that and it has really good clean ingredients that I really like. I also decided to try this one. I don't remember if I've tried this one before, but it looked really good with cashew butter. It's got ginger and cilantro and red chili flakes. It looked really, really good. Back here for the barbecue, I got a couple of bags of the organic potato chips. And then of course, Talia wanted to try the pickle potato chips because she loves pickles. So we'll see how those are. Got 2 boxes of the honey graham crackers for the s'mores. I got a couple herb plants. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on the windowsill or into the garden, but I got a giant basil that's ready to be, some is ready to be clipped off right now and used, which smells delicious. It smelled great in the car. And then I also got a rosemary that's organic. That one will probably go into the garden. Down here, I got some peanuts for the kids' trail mixes that they've been making. Same with these almonds. They've been wanting almonds in their trail mix more than cashews. So we got a couple bags of the almonds. Some white cheddar corn puffs for the barbecue tomorrow. A whole bunch of tortillas. I always stock up on tortillas when I go to Trader Joe's because they're one of the few places where you can find tortillas that don't have hydrogenated oils added and they're a reasonable price. Like you can get some good ingredient ones at like New Seasons and stuff, but usually they're super expensive and Trader Joe's just has a really good price on them. So I always stock up, and every time I go through the checkout line, almost, the cashier asks me, what in the world are you going to do with all these tortillas? And yet again today, they asked me, what are you going to do with all these tortillas? And I always say, I just throw them in the freezer and we pull them out whenever we need them. And that's it. We just stock up whenever we're here because we don't shop at Trader Joe's every week. You can't afford that. All right, then I got some organic tea lemonade that my husband likes for tomorrow. 4 packs of hot dog buns. I like these organic hot dog buns that they have. They also have the hamburger buns, and then they also have whole wheat ones as well. So they have a lot of good options when it comes to hot dog and hamburger buns. This was requested by my mom. Some wine. I don't know a lot about wine. I just grabbed what looked fine. So hopefully it's good. And that is it for my Trader Joe's haul. I missed these apple rings because Renee had been munching on them in the car. She picked these out to go into her trail mix. The total that I spent was $149.27. Definitely didn't get out of there cheap. One more stop here at Fred Meyer. Gonna get the last few things. Definitely need marshmallows for the s'mores. And need some dill relish. Hoping to find some dill relish for the hot dogs. Found a few plants for our garden outside. I think I have to get some of these sumo mandarins for Levi. He's going to freak out.
They're gigantic.
Look at how big these are.
Lumpy.
Oh my goodness. They're
really
huge. All right.
I like
Do they have any
these
dill?
slices.
Okay.
Or the
Oh,
long.
look, they do. They have some dill relish. That's what we needed. Oh, and the Kroger has one too that's a little cheaper and probably the same. All right, let's see. They got to have marshmallows. Here we go.
These size?
Yep. May grab 2 bags.
Marshmallows.
What do you think of that? It's so big. We were able to find everything else we needed at Fred Meyer, plus a little more, like always. So Autumn had requested some some frozen strawberries for smoothies, so I grabbed that for her. I got some cheaper hot dogs for the kiddos and anyone. I mean, just so that we have a variety of hot dogs for everybody. I got 2 big bags of the marshmallows. Trader Joe's sometimes has marshmallows, although I seem to only remember them having like the mini marshmallows. But they have a little bit better ingredients that I like better, so I looked for them there, but they didn't have any. And at Fred Meyer, this is all they had, so we'll go for it. Thankfully, these have no eggs in them, so that means Levi can eat them, and we don't have to worry about him getting into something that he's not supposed to have. All right, they had this Castlewood sandwich meat on reduced for a really good price, it seemed like, because these are 1 pound packages. So I got 1 roast beef. That was the only roast beef they had, and it was $4.79. And then they had this 4-pepper turkey breast, $4.19. I got 3 of those, and uncured honey ham, also $4.19, and I got 3 of those. I will throw these in the freezer, and we'll just pull out one at a time to use for sandwiches. But it's hard to find sandwich meat that has pretty solid ingredients. A lot of them have like modified food starch and corn syrup and stuff, and these ones I can't remember. It wasn't like pristine, but it still had sugar in it, but it didn't have the modified food starch and all that. So anyways, decided to go for those. I found the dill relish that I was hoping for, so we could have that for the hot dogs. Already peeled one of our sumo mandarins, and I got a whole bunch of bananas to tide us over. That'll probably last, 3 or 4 days. I got a few plants for the garden. I didn't get a lot because they didn't look perfect. This one especially, I was like, why did I pick this one? It was in the bright sunshine, and it maybe looked better than it actually was, but we'll see what happens. A couple of tomato plants. This is a sweet pepper plant, like orange peppers. some thyme and some lavender. So we'll get those going in the garden, and then we'll be adding more later on as we find a good place to get starts. And then maybe we'll start some from seeds as well. But anyways, that is everything from Fred Meyer. And the total that I spent there, $85.77. Thanks for coming along on our shopping trip today. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you again in the next video.